right, well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. My name is David Wicks, Vice President of Listings here at Nasdaq, and it's a privilege to welcome People's Bank of North Carolina and President and Chief Executive Officer Bill Cable. I'd also like to extend a very warm welcome to members of the Board of Directors, the management team, family members, and all our distinguished guests to Nasdaq. We're excited you could all join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. Now, there's a lot to celebrate, and let me start by congratulating everyone at People's Bank of North Carolina on their 40th listing anniversary on Nasdaq. This is truly a remarkable milestone and one that deserves a big, big round of applause. Congratulations. 40 years is more than an anniversary. It represents 4 decades of leadership, trust, and commitment to the communities you serve. Few companies achieve this milestone, and those that do understand that long-term success is built one relationship, one customer, and one decision at a time. Throughout its history, People's Bank has helped individuals, families, and businesses pursue their goals and build stronger futures. That enduring commitment has created value not only for shareholders, but also for the communities that have placed their trust in the bank for generations. This achievement belongs to everyone who has shaped the company's journey, from its founders and leaders to its employees, customers, and shareholders. Their dedication has built an institution that continues to make a meaningful impact across North Carolina. And Bill, know without a doubt, you can't do this alone. It's a team effort, and I want to congratulate you and everyone at the company on all your past success. Nasdaq is incredibly proud to be your partner, and we look forward to supporting People's Bank of North Carolina as you continue to grow and innovate as a Nasdaq-listed company. And now it is my pleasure. Please join me in welcoming Bill to the podium for his remarks.
Great. Well, thank you, David, and thanks to Nasdaq for hosting us here at MarketSite in the heart of here. On behalf of our board of directors, our leadership team, our employees, our customers, and our shareholders, it is a privilege to stand here today as People's Bank celebrates both 114 years as a strong community bank and 40 years being listed with Nasdaq. Both of those are meaningful because it reflects much more than longevity or a listing anniversary. It reflects trust earned over time. It reflects the strength of a company founded in 1912 in Catawba, North Carolina, and built generation after generation by people who believe community banking still matters. For more than a century, People's Bank has had just a single purpose that drives us: to help individuals, to fuel growth, help businesses move forward. We do that through relationships, through local decision-making, and through the commitment of teammates that know our customers by name and care deeply about the communities that we serve. Today, as we mark 4 decades on Nasdaq, we recognize the many people, past and present, who have made this moment possible. Our directors for their guidance, our employees for their dedication, our customers for their loyalty, and our shareholders for their confidence in us over time and our long-term future. We are very proud of where we've been, but we're even focused on where we are going. The future of community banking will require resilience, innovation, and disciplined growth. At People's Bank, we're committed to meeting that while staying true to the values that have gotten us here: accountability, integrity, service, and commitment to the communities that we serve. To everyone joining us here in New York, across North Carolina, and watching from home, thank you for being part of this celebration. We are honored to ring the closing bell, grateful for our partnership with Nasdaq, and excited for the next chapter of the People's Bank story. Thank you.
That is for you. So Bill, thank you for being our partner for the past 4 decades. I know you're to celebrate more milestones, but this afternoon, very proud to present you and your team with our Nasdaq closing bell crystal. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dave.